Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a site collection in SharePoint in just a couple of minutes. I'll be walking through this in the SharePoint Online Admin Center. First, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You'll need SharePoint Administrator or Global Administrator permissions to do this. Once the Admin Center dashboard loads, you'll see the left-hand menu. In that left menu, click on Show All to expand all the options, then scroll down to the Admin Center section and click on SharePoint. This opens the SharePoint Admin Center where you manage all your site collections. Once the SharePoint Admin Center loads, look at the left navigation panel. Under the Sites category, click on Active Sites. This is the main page where all your SharePoint sites are listed. You'll see communication sites, team sites, and any sites connected to Microsoft 365 groups. At the top of the Active Sites page, click the Create button. This opens the Create a Site panel. Now you'll see your site type options. You can pick Team Site to create a Microsoft 365 group-connected site or Communication Site for a standalone site. Select the type you want. For this walkthrough, I'll select Team Site. After you select your site type, you'll see a template gallery. Browse through the available templates and pick one that fits your needs. Each template comes with pre-populated content and web parts you can customize. Once you've chosen, click Use Template. Next, you'll fill in the site details. Enter a site name in the name field, then add a site owner. This is the person who'll manage the site. Select your language from the drop-down. For team sites, you'll also choose whether the site is private or public. Private means only members can access it. Public means everyone in your organization can view it. Once all the details are filled in, click the final button at the bottom of the form to complete the creation. Your new site collection is created in seconds and appears in the active sites list. The site is ready to use immediately. You can start customizing the home page, adding document libraries and lists, and setting up permissions. By default, new site collections are private, so make sure you grant access to anyone who needs it. If you created a team site, a Microsoft 365 group was also created alongside it. And that's how to create a site collection in SharePoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.